Good morning and happy Friday. I just finished my morning walk, nothing too crazy. I did 3,000 steps at a nice, easy pace just to get the day started. And thankfully, today is a work from home day, which honestly is perfect because the Florida humidity is no joke this morning. So thankfully, I'm not in my work clothes that I would normally be in because the second I stepped outside, I was like, ugh, gross. I felt so sticky. Also, I am now relaxing before I start my work, and I'm enjoying my iced German chocolate latte coffee. It is so good. It is my favorite. I've said that before, like dangerously good. So if you want the link for the flavor I use, just drop me a message and I'll send it over. Um, just say coffee flavor or something. I don't care. Or just ask me. Let's see. Lots of updates. Okay, first update. Update on the great drawer pull disaster of 2026. Neighbor's dog is having a good time listening. If you saw my post yesterday, you know I realized at the very last minute that the drawer pulls I ordered from Amazon were the wrong size by half an inch. And it was only the bottom ones, which was really weird. But anyway, what did we learn? Measure, 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 measure again, right? So thankfully, that dilemma has officially been resolved. The drawer pulls arrived yesterday and have been installed. And take a look. Take a look at these nightstands now. I am seriously obsessed with how they turned out. While everyone voted lighter, the darker coastal finish, the hardware, the overall vibe, it just looks really good with this Pottery Barn finish. They came out so beautifully, and more importantly, the client absolutely loves them. And that is always the best feeling. And for those who are team light, we'll get there. Also, can we talk about the drawer liner for a second? Because I am obsessed with it too. Like, it was a last minute purchase. It was one of those little details most people may not even think about when they're shopping for their furniture online. But these drawers needed something, and I felt like this made the piece a little extra finished and elevated. It just gave it that custom, Scottified touch. Okay, I am definitely glad it's Friday. This has been a week, but this weekend is already looking packed. I am starting an entryway table, and I cannot wait to share that process with all of you because I've already got some ideas spinning in my head, but they will probably change 5 times before I even start painting. And I'm excited because these are for the same customer that just bought those nightstands. Let's see what else. After that, Saturday, I will work some more on some furniture. Saturday night is exciting. We will head over to St. Pete. We do a monthly dinner with a large group of friends over there. So I'm really looking forward to that because, to be honest, Julian and I, between work, furniture flipping, content creation, and I don't know, we just need a night to relax, eat good food, and enjoy friends and just recharge a little bit. It's always fun. I can't wait. And then Sunday, of course, I will get right back to furniture projects because apparently I do not know how to sit still. I think a lot of us probably suffer from that, don't we? Oh, one more thing before I go. I'm planning on to start doing more live streams on TikTok. So if you're over there, make sure you're following me at Scottified Furniture. I think it'll be fun. We can hang out live, talk furniture, answer questions, show projects, all in real time, and honestly, just chat with all of you in a little more casual way. I think I've learned how to add people in. We can talk together on camera, so it should be fun. And lastly, I want to know, do you like these kinds of posts? These little morning chats, car confessions, behind the scenes, real life updates, all of it, because I've actually really been enjoying making them, and I hope you enjoy watching them because that's really what's important. So let me know, do you like them? If you do, hit the follow, subscribe, like, comment, hit all my buttons, share, invite your friends, because I don't want anyone to miss out on future videos. And last but not least, I hope you all have an amazing Friday, a great weekend ahead, and as always, I don't think I could ever say it enough. Thanks so much for tuning in and supporting Scottified Furniture. Bye, guys.